Hi guys, welcome to another video. My name is David Pindo. They also call me TipsWithDav. And as you can see, I'm already sharing my screen because I want to jump in today's content, today's weekly content on My Lead Gen Secret, which is what I talk about mainly on Monday. Why? Simply put, because My Lead Gen Secret is the catalyst that I'm using in order for me to start generating commissions on a weekly basis with affiliate marketing. And today we're going to be talking about specifically Clickbank. So we're going to be looking at Clickbank. I'm going to be telling you a little bit more information about Clickbank. Let's say you want to get started with affiliate marketing with Clickbank. This is one option. Okay. Now this is not the end all be all option. If you're getting started with affiliate marketing, I would suggest highly, if you are looking at Clickbank affiliate marketing, to make sure that you focus on building a long-term plan when it comes to having the right niche. Where do I go to get the audience that I need to build my affiliate marketing journey? For example, if it's the health and wellness niche, then how do I focus on the health and wellness niche? What am I building my brand over there? It can be a faceless content, and we will talk about these strategies on this channel at a later date. But today we're going to be looking at the top offers on affiliate marketing, but in the e-marketing and e-business space. Now, this is not for everybody. What I want to achieve, not only from this video, but also from this strategy, is for you guys to get a taste of what it means to be an affiliate marketer, of what it means to get those commissions from Clickbank coming in and everything else. Now, it is still a long-term plan. I have this entire strategy that I personally use on a daily basis. So it's first and foremost being activated by me, actively used by me, if I can say that correctly. So you'll find a link in the description. The first one will be to my affiliate marketing essentials course, which teaches you guys this strategy in detail. And additionally, you can add the order bump that's there, or the affiliate marketing essentials AI marketing, which gives you my entire prompt, which I'm using in order for me to get the conversions that are needed. If you don't want that, you can just get the entire strategy right here. It's all explained, it's all shown, including the products, including the services, and you can get my support directly if you want related to this, to My Lead Gen Secrets or anything else. You can get my support through the course. Okay, so how do you get access to me? You get access to me through the course. I just want you guys to understand that. In the meantime, I'm going to be sharing these videos, giving you guys this information. You can even take all the information that you're getting in these videos and apply it for you to get the results that you want. You don't need me. I'm just sharing with you that in case you do, the strategy is below. That being said, what is My Lead Gen Secret? My Lead Gen Secret is basically a product that gives you 100 to 200 business opportunity or make money online niche leads, co-registration leads, that they have agreed with about 10 to 12 partners that they have, and they keep changing those partners, so no names are given on the back end, but those partners are supplying those leads to a My Lead Gen Secret, and you get 100 leads every single day for the cost of $1 a day, basically $30 every single month to maintain. I personally have two accounts, guys. One I purely share with Warrior Plus, so I use two affiliate networks primarily. One is Clickbank and the other one is Warrior Plus. I use Warrior Plus for one account and I use Clickbank for the other account. I just like it. I think it's easier for me to manage this way. Now with Clickbank, what we're going to be doing is I want to share with you how the logic behind choosing the products behind with Clickbank and how do you go about doing it. So first and foremost, when you join Clickbank, if you haven't joined Clickbank, very easy to get started. You then need to go to affiliate marketplace. Okay, so let's say you sign up for Clickbank, you get your account and everything else, and now you go to marketplace. With My Lead Gen Secret and this strategy, guys, we are only going to be using this e-business and e-marketing section. Why? Because spirituality, age, alternative beliefs, self-help, or home and gardening, health and fitness, all are irrelevant to what kind of leads that My Lead Gen Secret are providing. My Lead Gen Secret is providing co-registration leads in the make money online and business opportunity niche. Clearly understand what you're getting. The moment you enter into the mindset of understanding your audience, the better it is for you to position your product, your service, everything that you have on the back end. This is the logic, because we want to solve a problem. The marketplace, the top offers. I would not do this. Let me put it this way, okay? I would not do this, guys, if I was starting my own funnel and building my own email list. No, I'm using My Lead Gen Secrets because they've already opted into an email list and they already opted into knowing about these products or services. Now, these products or services have done on their own quite a good amount of sales per year, more than 12 12 years on Clickbank, and so on and so forth. So they're good offers that are available. However, I want to mention something that's really important. So let me just take the top product as an example. This is business opportunity, which is called social sale rep, which is basically a live chat job. Okay, so you are doing live chats on specific companies and so on and so forth. This is in 2024, really converted really well in 2024. You get 75% commissions on the front end. It has a trial offer, it has a very good sales process, but there are certain things that you need to pay attention. So as an affiliate, for example, let's say you want to go with the paid ad routes. Okay, so say you go PPC. I'm clicking on it so that you guys can see what it is doing. So say your option, let's take away My Lead Secret for a second and say that you are building Clickbank and you want to do this in the e-marketing, e-business space. And this is one of the offers that you want to go with, and you want to use paid advertising. You want to use Meta ads, or you want to use Google ads or Bing ads, whatever it is, right? Now look at this, okay? With the PPC section right here, it's going to tell you exactly what suggested keywords that you can use and what you cannot. So these are what you can use. What you cannot use also should be available here. Why? Because if you do not, if you use specific words, by the way, they cannot pay you, okay? That is I don't know whether it's a good thing or a bad thing, but that is the possibility that can happen. Basically, they can come here and they can say that live chat jobs, basic social sales rep can say, listen, I cannot pay you because you used X. There are rules when it comes to terms. You can see right here. Okay, so let's go to terms. I was trying to look for it, but now I found it here. Affiliate terms and conditions. You may not use this as this is misleading practices. So you have to read these terms and conditions correctly, because then they have the possibility at any point of time without notice to remove that commission or suspend your participation in this kind of campaign. So we don't want it to be suspended or anything. So we want to follow the affiliate terms and conditions. Usually for this kind of a product, you have a very limited space for your advertising. So I would not use it and do it rather on a back end and have organic clicks coming to this and hops coming to this platform, which is where My Lead Gen Secret comes into perspective. The same thing I would do for a get paid to use affiliate, use Facebook, Twitter, YouTube. This is another good offer which converts. So this first offer converts with My Lead Gen Secret. This offer converts with My Lead Gen Secret. WirexApp reviews converts with My Lead Gen Secret. I have got very low conversions with paid online writing jobs, so I wouldn't recommend that to anybody. And you can check out the other ones here, but really, honestly, I wouldn't focus on anything else because the others have a lower gravity score. Or if you're like me, and for example, I have online success coaching, okay, as a private coaching platform which teaches specifically about affiliate marketing and uses AI technology and so on and so forth. This is something that's a private offer, which I got access to, and now I can promote it. This private offer is also an offer in the e-business space, which I can make a sale and continue. And yes, it is recurring sales over here, but it's just an offer, okay? So I'm not going to focus on these private offers because these private offers depends on who you're following, what you're using. Maybe you're a part of that. For example, you might be a part of online success coaching and then you want to sell it. So then you use that option available. I would, rather than doing My Lead Gen Secret, I would create a funnel specifically for this, for example, coaching program, because it might make more sense to build your email list organically and then offer this on the back end, or build your email list with paid ads and offer this on the back end, because it is a recurring commission. As you can see, the average conversion rate is $300, which is quite a nice juicy commission that you're getting as a whole, right? So initially you might get just $87 conversion rate, and then in the future rebuilds you will start getting 200 plus. That makes a significant difference in your life. But that is something that I would function outside the My Lead Gen Secret strategy. This strategy, what we're talking about right here, the Clickbank products that you want to focus on, that most of the people in My Lead Gen Secret focus on as well, is live chat jobs, get paid to use Facebook, Twitter, or YouTube, and write app reviews. These are the three ones that function the best in my opinion, out of which I've got really good conversions with write app reviews. I am currently in the process of, starting to email for get paid to use social. And the angle that I look about it, I don't do it in a way that is promoting this option. So a lot of the people, unfortunately, will tell you to do this. Go to the page right here, take the email swipes, and in order to, change it up and everything else. You can take these email swipes, put it into an AI like ChatGPT, like DeepSeek, like Claude, and rewrite those emails with that specific content. Use that content to then send an email on My Lead Gen Secret once every single day, adding your obviously promotional link, which is this link right here. You click promote, you add your nickname, you click continue and edit parameters. I usually add this TID right here, add my tracking, and done. That's it. Okay, that's how I track my whole Clickbank sales and everything else. It's the same process with all these products or services that are available. Now, the reason why I'm saying I don't personally do it this way is that I try to look at the offer, and I try to write the email in regards to what the offer is and what it actually can help. So in my opinion, I, as an affiliate marketer, because I know that many people are on My Lead Gen Secret as to either do affiliate marketing themselves, or they're stuck with affiliate marketing, or they want to improve that journey. So I talk about the skills that they are learning, or what the benefits are to this job that they're providing, not the benefits that live chat job tells me, or get paid to use Facebook tells me, which is, oh, all you need is a laptop and internet connection to do this. What I do is I share with them the benefits as I think could make sense. Let's use get paid with Facebook, Twitter, and YouTube. Okay, let's say that you're earning to make YouTube videos, you're earning $35 an hour, or you're earning whatever it is, right? That itself, besides the fact that you're earning a cash flow, besides that, you're earning the skill sets to know your audience better. You're learning the skill sets of marketing as a whole within YouTube content. So with either short content or YouTube content. And then you're also learning editing skills. All of these three things, first and foremost, you can charge a service for them individually. But besides that, if you offer a digital product in the future, now you've learned the skill sets on how to do the research for the product, make the actual video, post the video, the consistency of the video. So basically, you're doing a market research while getting paid. How awesome is that? When you leverage this kind of a strategy behind it, I have seen better conversions in the long term. Okay. And the same thing with write-up reviews. I talk about it because you're writing, it shows you what converts, it shows you what doesn't convert. You're writing, you can see the feedback, get your audience's feedback through these reviews and everything else. And now you're learning the skill set. So while helping somebody else, you are actually learning the skill set to help you with your affiliate marketing journey. That is how I position most of these products on Clickbank. That's how I'm getting the results that I'm getting. Now, just to show you guys, this is a strategy that I started to follow from September. I think it was September 2000 and I think let's do October, okay? October 1st, but I think it was September 2024, sorry. So I earned so far since September 2024, I've earned around $600 and 60 cents. So that's about $200 a month as of the average, if you can see. But it's quite nice to look at it. Actually, it was September. So let me just do the whole thing. So here you can see right here. So it's $750 already just following this strategy. Now, if you divide the September, October, November, December, January, that's 5 months, right? We'll do February, so 6 months. It's about 100 and something per month, okay? If I'm not mistaken, divided by 6. So that is that's about $125 and per month at the moment, just with the strategy. Now, if you think about it, I have one account. I'm sending it to this strategy. I'm averaging at $120. That's already $80 in profit. Let's say 125 minus 30, which is what I'm spending for the account. So that's $95 in profit from one account itself. Now, again, this is just the starting of this account, okay? This account is still accumulating, this account is still growing and everything else, and it grows up for quite a long time with My Lead Gen Secret. So I know that this journey and my aim over here is to get this $125 per month average to actually get a $500 per month average. That's my aim, because in that scenario, I'm more than 10xing how much I'm spending first and foremost, and I'm getting a decent amount per month at the moment. Payment wise, transaction wise, I think every month I get at least one payment, or the last month in February I've got 2 payments that have come in through Clickbank itself. So you can see the last payment right here was paid on the 19th of February, which is period ending is on the 19th of February. I think it was paid on the 21st. so a few days ago, and it's still pending to arrive to my account. But this is like every time I hit $100, basically I withdraw the money automatically. Clickbank sends it to me. So this is kind of a recurring payment, and my aim is to get at least $500 every single month. That means 4 to 5 payments every single month that are coming in with Clickbank. That's my journey. Those are my insights. Again, if you join as My Lead Gen Secrets, you get access to this Facebook group right here. And you can also see that many people do post their results. I do as well. And we're talking about it. I share lots of feedback over here. So it's good to get into this account if you're already My Lead Gen Secret member. Otherwise, you want my strategy, you want my input, link is in the description. Make sure that you get started. If you don't have My Lead Gen Secret, the second link will be to My Lead Gen Secret itself. So make sure to join there in case you're interested. Guys, thanks for watching. Thanks for being here. I hope this video gave you value, gave you some insights, and I'm going to see you guys on Wednesday for another video. Have a great day and keep paving the way for your dreams to come true.